There was a lot of discussion about AI and its future in our world, not just automotive, but everything. Although there was something that was mentioned that I thought was interesting, and I was not aware. Our speaker spoke of hallucinations, and I wasn't familiar with the term. And that was when AI isn't sure of something, it can just kind of make stuff up. And that explains to me why I've asked AI on numerous occasions about something very specific, technically in nature on a vehicle, and the answers I got were wrong. I mean, I just knew that they were wrong. So I think AI is going to be a really powerful tool. I think another issue that we're going to have with AI is that we have to learn how to use it the most efficiently. Because if I don't ask AI the right question, I'm not going to get the right answer. So I think we both have to learn each other.
I would definitely say that AI is something safe in the aspect of bringing it into the shop, so that way students can get a more involved, get more, I guess, submersion experience in the shop, because AI is going to be able to access all of those things from the internet, videos, all those procedures that you're going to do step by step anyways, and it just kind of overlays into reality, you know, that, I mean, that's ultimately what technology is supposed to be doing, is helping our experience, not replacing us. In the keynote speaker this morning, when they talked about AI and mentioning that hallucination where AI gives you the wrong answer, I feel like there's always improvement, but I think that the way, kind of like when you're learning how to code, if you're into IT and you're learning how to code, you have to make certain commands. You start a conversation, you make a command, and then you end the conversation, kind of like that's the way the sentence structure works. And so with experience with us, our human aspect of it is that we need to learn to ask the right questions or be very specific in what you're asking. So when you're using AI in the shop, you're not just saying, what's the torque spec on a, lug nut on a Honda Civic? Well, sometimes they're going to say, think torque spec, or what the torque spec is. You're going to have to be very specific, and you kind of eliminate those failure points. Those hallucinations, I'm sure, will be minimized, and obviously we'll get better at it. They'll hopefully improve. So the future is definitely not a bunch of grease monkeys in this industry. There's definitely a difference between when I started as a technician, that was like a transition year between using the word mechanic and using the word technician. And we're at a new transition. We're at a new point where a 4-year degree or becoming an automotive technician, you're getting to the point where these technicians or these individuals that are working in the industry need to know how to work a computer, need to understand how networks and communications and cameras and all these sensors work, and it's way more advanced than it used to be. We're not just grease monkeys anymore.